What's up mga ka-friends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on a Dex activity, Deck Guinea was on his event from the 34th anniversary in Macro. On Instagram post, Mami Makiao posted on Instagram a short video clip and a cute photos of his son Nadek. Nadek Guinea was so cute wearing the matchy color of Macro, and Mami Makiao captioned it, "Congratulations on the 34th year with Macro." Nong Nadek was very happy for being part of the show. Thank you to the fans, to everyone who supported my son. As you can see, Nadek was so happy until the end of the show. Last day, on Roselle's activity, Roselle's beer band was also got her beautiful behind-the-scene video from Oppo. Roselle's beer band are also beautiful wearing the clothes provided, one of her endorsement, and she is really fit of any product that she uses every day. Roselle's beer band's beauty was so perfect that she is really beautiful, pretty, cute, amazing, like a human Barbie doll. The all was complete, and she really deserves it. No wonder her husband, the deck, was really proud of her.